Hello everyone. We are discussing Unit 4 Forex Quotations and Arbitrage. Some concepts have been discussed earlier, but before moving on to the new concepts, I would like to give you a small recap of what we have discussed earlier. The first thing that was introduced in this unit was a foreign exchange quote. How a quote looks like. I'll write a quote USD INR 70, or it could also be written as USD bar INR 70. There will be usually the bid and ask numbers 70, 71. There are two quotes written. Both mean the same thing. They exactly mean the same, but only the difference between these two quotes are the way of writing. The first quote does not have the slash symbol. The second quote has a symbol. Other than that, other than the symbol, there is no difference between the two currency quotes mentioned here. From various sources, these are the main ways of writing a foreign exchange quote. Next, let us discuss what are the components involved in this quote. Let us take the first quote, USD INR 70. There are three things involved in this quote. First is USD, second is the INR, and third is the value here, a number that is mentioned here. The first item mentioned in the foreign exchange quote means that it is a base currency. The first currency mentioned in the quote is always a base currency. Base currency means it is the currency that you buy or sell, and it is always expressed in one unit. Whenever you see a quote, if USD is first, it means 1 USD. If INR is in the first position, it means 1 INR. If GBP is in the first place, then 1 GBP. It is always expressed in one unit. Second, the second component of this foreign exchange quote is a quote currency. The currency that is mentioned in this quote, it is a quote currency. Quote currency means the currency that we use to express the value of 1 unit of base currency. The currency that we use INR. In this case, we use INR, a quote currency, to express the value of 1 unit of USD. USD is 1 unit because it is a base currency, and base currency is always expressed in 1 unit. And the last component in a foreign exchange quote, it indicates the value of the base currency expressed in quote currency. Quote currency is used to indicate the value of 1 unit of base currency. Let us go back to the quotation here. We have a quotation USD INR 70. USD is the base currency, INR is the quote currency, and 70, the number 70 indicates 70 INRs. So when we read this quotation, 1 USD equals 70 INRs. That is how we read it. 1 USD is 1 because base currency is 1. The number 70 is a value, INR value, because INR here is used as a code currency to express the value of a base currency.